Hi, it's Joseph McGuire here again from Clearsight Communications. As promised, I'm announcing a bonus for the 10 early bird signers for my 6-week online course, Face Reading, Communication Skills for Exceptional Relationships, starting on Wednesday evening, 19th of August, 7 p.m. to 8:30 GMT, 8 p.m. to 9:30 Central European Time. And for other time zones, please check. How would you like to know what your face is revealing to the world? Your forehead, your eyebrows, your eyes, your nose, the lines, the mouth, the chin, even your ears, your cheeks, all of those are saying a great deal about you. Anyone skilled in the art, the tradition of face reading, will be able to tell a lot about you from those static features before you say a word, before you move a muscle, because there is quite literally a huge amount of information available in all of your facial features about how you communicate, how you behave, how you think, how you process information, what causes you stress, how you react under stress, various health issues, genetic, parental, ancestral influences, your relationships, in terms of how you process things emotionally, and a great deal more besides, even your relationship with money. So for the first 10 people who sign up for the early bird price of €297 for my course, each of you gets a complimentary 45-minute free individualized reading recorded on Zoom for you to take and have for your own purpose. So if you're interested, the offer stands, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for watching.